Today we ask if investing globally is simply a case of buying the right megatrends. There are many hot megatrends that investors are focusing on today, particularly in the technology space. Driverless cars, artificial intelligence, robotics, 3D printing, augmented and virtual reality, and cloud computing and big data, just to name a few. There is no question that we will see some significant growth associated with some of these technologies. So should investors simply just buy the megatrend? Well, let's take a look at 3D printing as an example. There are numerous applications in the 3D printing space, from medical to industrial to apparel and accessories. Now let's go back 4 years in time to 2013. Now at the time, the 3D printing industry had been growing by more than 30% per annum, as you can see on this chart of industry revenues. And industry analysts and experts at the time were calling for this growth to be sustained and to possibly even accelerate over the coming decade. So let's say we bought this megatrend, and let's say the way we bought this megatrend was to buy Stratasys, the market leader in 3D printing. Well, at the time, Stratasys revenues had been growing by nearly 50% per annum, and consensus expectations were for company revenues to triple over the subsequent 3 years to 2016. So what was not to like? Okay, now let's see what actually happened. So Stratasys revenues did grow, but by far less than what the market was expecting, as you can see on the chart. And how did the stock perform? Well, it fell by around 85%. So here is an industry leader that has grown rapidly in a hot new space that is still in its infancy, and yet the stock is down 85%. Why? Because the business underperformed the market's expectations. And this is by far the most important concept in equity market investing. You can expect to outperform the equity market if and only if you buy stocks with market-implied expectations that are unreasonably conservative. If you buy stocks at prices that imply inflated or unachievable future expectations, then chances are you will underperform. And this expectations framework needs to be front of mind when investing in global megatrends.